About a year ago, we had a problem with it misfiring, and we ended up replacing. Well, first we cleaned the existing one that was there, the throttle body, and then it ran for a while, and then we still had the same issue, so we ended up replacing it. So today we had another misfire. We're gonna have to replace some spark plugs too. I believe it was number 2. Had a code. What was the code, buddy?
It's code P0089 and P0302.
Okay. So yeah, that was a fuel pump and I believe the fuel injection, but we're gonna start with the most simplest thing. We know we have the spark plug, and we're gonna try to clean out this throttle body and see what we get.
Success is never owned, it's rented. And the rent, it's due every day.
Remember, y'all, Don't come for me. I'm not a mechanic. All right, turn it off. It's not bad.